Hi, this is Med from Educators Technology. Welcome to another video on AI tools for teachers. In this video, I'm going to cover some of the best AI tools to help you create presentations. Let's dive right in. So the first AI presentation maker in this list is called CurryPod, and you can access it at currypod.com. This is basically a web tool that enables you to create interactive lessons that takes the form of slideshows. So I'm going to show you how to create a presentation using CurryPod. Go ahead to create a lesson right here and click on it, and you'll see we have two options. Either you can create a blank lesson or create a lesson with AI. So we're going to click on this one here, create lesson with AI. Next, we have here four options. We're going to check this one, Curify My Slides. Click on it, and now here, so you can either upload a document or a PDF, or if you have an old presentation, you can upload it here, and then go ahead and click on Get the Lesson, and CurryPod will create an interactive presentations that includes interactive activities. So I'm going to show you how to do this. I have already prepared a document on daylight saving time. I just generated it through ChatGPT to just give you an example of how to create a presentation, an interactive presentation from a PDF. So go ahead here and click on upload. You can also upload Google Docs. All right, this is the document. So I will upload it here. Here you can choose the grade. So if you have this document, for instance, if it's written in a complex language and you want to create a presentation for instance, you're teaching 6th grade, you can just leave it, or you can change the grade here, and CurryPod will create a presentation that is relevant to the grade level you specified right here. So go ahead and choose the grade level and add specific instructions if you have any. So I'll just keep that as it is, and then you can align the generated presentation with any of the standards here, and choose a language, and then click on Get Lesson. Give it a few seconds and CurryPod will generate the presentation. All right, so here is the final presentation. How many slides we have here? We have 9 slides. So, and you can go through them one by one. You can see the activities the CurryPod has included within the presentation, and you can see also the script of the document right here, and we have different activities. So basically what you can do here is go ahead and you can edit them. You can edit the slides, you can add text, media, add other element, change background, things like that. You can also translate the content, and you can then, when you're done, you can you can invite students to join the presentation and work on the activities in real time, or you can send it to them and they can work on it at their own pace. And CurryPod also provides you with a reports page where you can keep track of students' performance. So this is a very good tool to use to create interactive presentations to use in your lessons. All right, let's move on to the next tool. So the second AI presentation maker tools we have in our list is called Brisk Teaching. This is basically a Chrome extension that provides you with a collection of powerful AI tools, and one of them is the ability to create engaging presentations from different types of media, including web pages, documents, videos, and many more. The first thing to do is to go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. Once you do, you will be directed to Chrome Web Store, where you can install it in your browser. I have already done that. So once installed, you go ahead and open any web page or a YouTube video or a document, and you will see right here in the bottom right hand corner, you will see the Brisk Teaching icon here. So for instance, I have this document, the same document I used in CurryPod to create a presentation. It's about daylight saving times. So I have this Google Doc here, and I want to create a presentation based on the content of this one here. So what I'll do is just click on the icon, then click on create, then choose presentation. And here you can edit the settings of your presentation. For instance, you can change the language if you want, the standards. You can also select the standards, the grade, the number of slides, and choose whether you want to include images or with no images. And then you have the personalized to my learners. Here you describe the topic. It's about, as I said, daylight saving times. And then I click on next. So here you can choose a template. Some of these templates are already for premium users. Those with the star here, with the star icon, are reserved for premium users. So I'm going to check on a free one. Let's use this chalkboard and click on Prescott. And here is the final presentation. As you can see, this is a beautiful presentation. Prescott generates for us within seconds. You can go through the slides and you can edit and change anything in this presentation. Very easy and very practical. The third AI presentation maker tool we have in our list is from a tool called Almanac. I keep saying Almanac, so I'm sorry for the mispronunciation. So yes, so it's Almanac, and it has this feature called EduSlides, which allows you to create presentations for your lessons. You can go ahead and click on EduSlides and choose a course. You need to have already created a course. I have a course right here. Let's say Social Studies Grade 9, and then type a lesson title. Let's say again Daylight Saving Time, because I already tried it before. And here you can choose what you want your presentation to be based on. You can use a URL of a website, or you can simply copy and paste text, or use a file, upload a file, and or a video from YouTube, or another resource, or an image. For the purposes of this tutorial, just keep it like this. We'll just keep it for the objectives here. You can see here that Almanac have generated a set of objectives for this lesson here. So what we're going to do is to click on next. Now you can see here that Almanac have generated an outline for the slideshow, and you can go through it right here. Go through the outline. You can edit anything you don't want. You can also add more slides if you want, and once done, choose the template you like. For instance, let's choose this yellow one and click on create. Now here is the slideshow Almanac created for us. You can see here the different slides, and again you can go through them all and see if you like them. So if everything looks good, click on looks good, open in editor, and from here within the editor you can go ahead and edit any section of the slides. Go through them again and see the AI content that has been generated for you. Of course, you need to go through it and edit it to make it suitable for your own teaching needs. Once done, you can export it in different formats, including as a PowerPoint, PDF, or to Google Slides. Diffit is another excellent AI website that provides a wide variety of AI features that empower teachers to create different kinds of teaching resources. And one of these things, and one of the things you can do, is to create a presentation from these resources. Although Diffit is not really as straightforward as the other tools, so you need to dig in a little bit in order to find this feature where you can create presentations, and I'll show you how to do it. First, go ahead to Diffit main page and click on Teacher Start Here and log into your account. You need to already have an account. And once you log in, you will land in this page here. And so you have 4 options here. You can either create a presentation or a teaching resource from based on your prompt, or you can use an article or a YouTube video, or you can use a text or PDF or a vocabulary list. Let's use the literally anything feature, which means I'm going to write my prompt here. We'll use the daylight saving time again, like before, and you can choose the standards here. We have 3 standards. You can choose one of them if you want or not. For me, I won't choose any. And then you can customize your resources for your reading level. Choose the reading level of your students here, and then the language and informational text. I'll leave it like this. We have fictional text or informational. Keep it informational. Then go ahead and click on generate resources, and you can see here this is what DFID has produced for us based on our topic, which is daylight saving time. And you can see it's not technically a presentation. It's basically an interactive lesson. It starts with images, and the great thing about DFID, which I didn't find in the other tools, is that it provides you with sources. For instance, for each of these images, for the topic on daylight, you can see here that there is the source of the image, and also it generates a reading passage. And for this reading passage, you can come over here to click on show sources, and you will be able to see all the sources linked here that DFID used to generate the reading passage. Anyway, so we are not interested in this kind of information. What we want to do is generate a presentation. We'll go down here to student activities, click on get student activities, and here on the under format, click on format and check workbook and leave only slides. We only want templates for presentations, and as you can see here, these are the presentation templates. So we are very much limited in the kind of templates you will have. Let's choose a template here. For instance, let's go ahead with any of the templates here. Let me see. You need to really dig deep to see. All right, let's click on this learning reflection. So what DFID basically does is it allows you to choose a template, and then it takes the content that it has generated and it repurposes it to the template you have chosen. And it's basically just a learning activity, but I have chosen a slides template or presentation template, which means that you will be able to use it as a presentation. So as you can see here, here's the final presentation that DFID produces for us. So go ahead through the slides again, and you can click on each slide, and you can edit it the way you want. And once you're done, come over here and click on export, and choose where you want to export your presentation, whether to Google Classroom, or you want to download it as a PDF or as a PowerPoint presentation. The next AI presentation maker tool we have in this list is from eduaid.ai. Go ahead and click on launch. Eduaid also, like the other tools, provides numerous educational AI tools to help you with everything from your lesson planning to writing emails. Go ahead to information objects here. Under this category, you scroll down and you will find this one here called slides outline. Click on it, and once it's highlighted in blue, come down here and click the topic of your presentation. Let's say I want one on, again, daylight saving time. And Eduaid has this nice feature which is called enhance. When you click on it, AI will try to enhance the title of the topic. So let's click on enhance and see what it will produce here. Okay, it provided us with a detailed sentence here as a prompt. Students will analyze the historical origins, social implications, and economic impacts of daylight saving time, evaluating its effectiveness and relevance in contemporary society, which is great. So let's just leave it like this and go ahead and click on add to workspace, and Eduaid will generate the content of the slides for our presentation. As you can see here, it does not provide images. It only comes up with an outline of the slides. So go through them one by one, and you can click here to edit them if you want. And when you're okay with everything, come over here and click copy, and you can copy the content of the slides and go ahead to Canva or a PowerPoint or any other presentation maker, and you can then populate the slides there. So it's pretty basic but very interesting as well. The next AI presentation maker tool we have is called SlidesGo. SlidesGo is different from the other AI tools I have covered in this tutorial. This one here is completely presentation focused, and it provides you with different features. Go here to AI tools, and you can see the different features it provides. So I want the AI presentation maker, and click on get started, and here provide a topic. Let's say the daytime saving time, again daylight saving time. Select the writing tone. There is the fun, creative, casual, professional, and then you have the language of your presentation and the number of slides. Then you can choose from the different style templates here. Choose one that you like, and let me just keep it with this minimalist one, and then click on generate presentation. And as you can see here, here's the final presentation, the different slides it has created for us. Go ahead through the slides, click on each one if you want to further edit the content of any slides you want. You can also use the editor on the left hand side to add text, add elements, photos, etc. And once you're done, click on download here, and you can click on download here, and you can download it as a PDF or a PowerPoint presentation. For downloading it as a PowerPoint presentation, you need to be a premium user to do so, and click on download. I hope you find this list of recommendations helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.